well, I think moms have no inhibitions. My mother did exactly the same thing.
They've earned it.
And she's got this really funny laughter. I started noticing that. It's when she really doesn't give a fuck about what you just said. But I think these are violets because I remember reading violets are not actually violet.
What are they?
Lilac.
Oh, they absorb all other color except the violet.
Yeah.
Oh, I saw this reel and it was talking about how the apple is everything but red. And I was
Apple?
like,
Yeah, you're
basically
right.
everything.
No, but the new ones are really red. The
no,
ones that you
but
get.
like on the
Oh, you
color
mean wavelengths.
spectrum,
You mean wavelengths.
it has absorbed all the colors.
Yeah, that's true.
Except red.
That's-
It's just
yeah.
reflecting red
Yeah,
back to
that's
us.
the reason why it doesn't work.
So like the only
The guy who
one
threatened
thing,
us has walked past
listen,
and realized.
listen.
Huh.
The only one thing that it's not,
Hold this.
that it doesn't want to be.
Is what it
It's
is.
just like too red hai bhai.
So manifestation यही तो होता है. Everything that you don't want to be, you end up becoming. There you go. That's manifestation.
Really? Exactly.
So what do you think this is?
That's why I'll just end the whole debate. That's why when
What is the debate?
the debate, the one really straight guy in a room going, I'm not gay.
Oh, does a guy do that ever?
And he's super gay.
But everyone is really gay. Everyone can be whatever they want to be. I really believe in that. I think I'm for all genders. I'm for all sexualities, and I
being
think
straight
get
is
it
the
out of your
gayest thing you
system.
can do.
Yeah.
Being straight is so gay.
You're
I
so
can't
particular
even.
about it.
Yeah, literally.
You're so particular.
How are you so particular?
Your back has to be this straight if you're straight. Like,
Oh my
how are
God.
you walking around like that? Have you seen uncles in this park? That's what they're doing right now.
Also, the word
Being straight.
didn't really make any
Okay.
sound when Billie Eilish came out.
Oh my God, I just thought about that. Did I tell you that?
No, but you don't care about Billie Eilish.
I
but
don't
like,
care about it, but that's exactly like the
No one
world
gave a fuck.
absorbed her sexuality. गिर
fuck
गया
him
है.
up.
Fuck it. एक इसको पकड़.
I can't believe तू खोल भी रही है.
ये मेरे blind taste test के लिए
Is this
था.
like pistachio, Ferrero Rocher, aloo
Smell
tikki
it,
kebab?
smell it, smell
Oh my
it.
god, ये matcha है.
हरियाली कबाब.
Haryani ka. Smells like Cadbury chocolate.
Taste it.
I'm so scared.
Taste it. We can give we can make them also
I hate
experiment.
gooey stuff, but इसके अंदर तो chocolate है.
हाँ. What do you feel this? What is the texture in your mouth? Is this gay or is this straight? Snack.
It's so.
Is it a snack for straight people?
It's so sexless.
That explains it because it's an Asian dessert.
It's really weird. It's
Yeah?
nice.
Yeah?
The chocolate inside is saving it.
That helps it, right? Otherwise, there's nothing to it, right? Okay, wait, I want them to also try it. Hold on. Fucker, why do I have this guy? Hold. Okay, try one. You. Wait. Look at that. Look at that gooiness.
I want to talk about how tall people feel.
I will talk about it. Goo? Do you want some goo? One
Guys,
goo for you.
We're the short girl
And one
collective.
goo for you.
And we do everything that tall girls do
We do.
and more.
They eat.
But what do tall girls do? We never talk about that.
What do you feel?
I want to go from here.
Similar to it, right? It's called like a daifuku, and I love that name.
Where does it die from?
It dies from Japan. But there's literally a fuck you in the name itself. It's like daifuku. Oh my god. Okay, this is amazing.
Yeah.
Where we are right now is pretty amazing, and this park is clearly owned by crows.
It's a gang of crows, right?
A murder of crows.
It's a murder of crows.
It's a murder.
Why
of
do you
crows.
think it's called a murder of crows?
It just sounds really metal. Please tell me, Nan, हम gym वाली exercise तो नहीं करेंगे ना आज?
But why do you think it's called a school of fish and a murder of crows?
Maybe because a murder is so like they're preying upon stuff. Or it's just plain old racism. Someone's sleeping there.
Oh, it's the guy.
He's off duty now. He gave up on trying to kick us out of this park.
So I always gave myself shit for being short. However, at the wedding, there was one girl who was really tall. And I kept thinking that what if she doesn't want to get noticed when she's somewhere? She's so tall
can't
that
help
she
but.
can't help it.
We're
So,
trying
like,
our best to be noticed, and they're trying their best to go unnoticed.
So like, isn't it like, what if she has social anxiety?
Of course she does. And also, how do you be feminine in a setting like that? Have you ever thought about that?
Yeah.
Like, imagine if you're a straight, really tall girl
You mean-
and nothing ever fits you. You can't wear cute
Yeah.
crop tops. You can't wear, like, all the things are
You
made for,
literally
like,
can't hit on boys.
you can never buy anything in Asia.
Boys are
Clothes.
not hitting on you.
Boys are never coming up to you, you know, because you have to go up to them. Although, I think it would help
You'll
because...
meet one really tall guy, you'll be like, शादी हो रही है इससे.
हाँ, that's it. वो बस इसी के basis पे they get married.
Yeah.
They just find a tall guy, that's it.
Yeah.
Like, I can't imagine dealing with
Actually, I
that
have
level
a
of
family friend
anxiety.
who did that.
Got a tall guy and got married.
And when they both met, they
Yeah.
were like, तू इतनी लंबी कैसे है? तू इतना लंबा कैसे है? Let's get married, and they got married.
They didn't even go into the other things. They're like, that's it.
They were like, we just met each other.
And they have children.
They instantly clicked. Not yet.
I want to see which gene do they get. Because there is that one short
but do you
gene.
think tall people have more anxiety or short people?
Everyone has anxiety. Who doesn't have anxiety right now? Everybody has anxiety. Like, we aren't able to process or do anything in our entire day without actually getting anxious or thinking about it. So apart from maybe just watching old Netflix, like, you have anxiety about starting a new Netflix series.
Oh,
You
God.
just, oh wait,
I'm
it's all,
disappointed before it
it's
even
all
starts.
wait, Nan got here first. Let's go. From the other way around.
I'm disappointed before I even start watching something on Netflix.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's anxiety. That's why you're sticking to your Seinfeld. I'm sticking to Seinfeld and other stuff. But like, we in the middle, we'll be like, okay, we're super adventurous. Let's just go for it. हाँ, you're right. हम gym को एकदम avoid करना चाह रहे थे. We're like, let's just not exercise. Every time we've hung out, we've ended up going on these. Do you think this was a good health initiative by the government?
Huh? Yes, very good.
This.
It was a great initiative.
Why am I not seeing enough youth over here?
It's really hard to converse with you without seeing your face.
I know, I know. Oh, we're almost back at the... I didn't even... See, I'm totally spatially challenged. I don't know if that's a female thing or a men thing, but I
It's
do...
not a female thing. Some people are really... Some women are really good with directions. My
Yeah?
mom is.
But like few. Or maybe, I don't know. I'm really bad
Maybe
at
you
it. I have
just
no
started
idea.
driving a car, you'll pick up on it.
Maybe driving helps?
Yeah.
Or like maybe because I didn't do any cycling when I was younger.
Oh my god!
Can that be related to the
Yes.
spatial anxiety? I have spatial
Yes.
anxiety.
Yes.
I don't want to like enter a
Yeah,
place and then be asked, अच्छा हम कहाँ से आए थे? बता, because I didn't know. How did we end up here?